Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you wish to check up on the battery health of your iPhone? In this video, I will show you where you can find it in your settings. Let's go. Normally, the iPhone's battery life gradually deteriorates over time and varies based on your device usage. Therefore, it is good practice to occasionally assess the condition and capacity of your battery. To check, open Settings, navigate to Battery and choose Battery Health from the options. Here you can see the maximum capacity percentage of your battery. Maximum capacity evaluates your iPhone's battery health relative to when it was brand new. In my case, my battery's capacity is still at 100% because it is quite new. Of course, as it ages and the more often you charge your iPhone, the battery capacity will normally decrease as well. If your battery health is below 75% or you notice issues such as the iPhone unexpectedly shutting down, changing to a new battery from an Apple store might be a smart choice. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.